Hey!
Hello! My name is Camilla. Today I'll talk about a new character I'll make from plasticine. The Pennywise CLOWN Skibidi Toilet is the leader of the clown toilets. He is the biggest and the strongest clown toilet out of all the clown toilets. He debuted in Skibidi Toilet Multiverse 018 with all the other clown toilets. He is one of the many Skibidi toilets that nobody should like at all. His main toilet seems to be gray with an armored plate, a pink flower and fireworks on the back of his toilet which will act like a jetpack when in the air. He has 2 rocket launchers, for strider legs similar to the Scientist Skibidi Toilet's legs. His head is a white clown head with yellow teeth and red paint going from his lips to his eyes in a horn form. He has red clown hair and has a yellow hat with white polka dots. He also has a regenerative head that is similar to his original head, but it has no hat and has sharp teeth. In his mouth are mechanical tentacles similar to the Oppugnator Astro Toilet, revealing a TV screen.
เฮ้ย